Wouldn't it be great if every class test, assessment, or assignment is mapped to the National Numeracy Learning Progression? Here is an example of a visualization that does exactly that. The aim of this visualization is to be able to map every individual student and how they're progressing against the acara progression levels. This top area really focuses in on what we want to filter down and see for each individual student. Here we can pick an element, then we can pick a sub-element, select which year group we want to look at, and then within each year group we have a progression level. We can select multiple year levels as the progression level is generally done over a couple of years. And finally, we can look at the acara description to see what the progression level actually means. So in this example here, we have chosen to look at the progression level MUS3. In this bottom area, we can see the student progression which is mapped against this progression level. All this information is taken from either in-class tests, assessment tasks, or topic tests that are completed by the school. Here we can see in the bar chart the spread of the students' results across every question that was allocated to MUS3. Straight away, we're able to differentiate the class so we can really understand which students need more attention in this particular area. If we wanted a quick snapshot of how our class was doing, we can look at this table on the right-hand side. Here it outlines the student's name, the progression level that we've selected, and the score that the student has achieved with this progression level. Any student that scores an average of less than 60% within a particular progression level is outlined here. This means that we have collected every single question from school tests and school assignments and averaged out the result for each and every one of those questions. Even if a test was completed last year and the same type of question with the same level was completed the following year, the results are combined and we can see the average result for every single question in every single test that is mapped to that progression level of MUS3. If we want to have a look at multiple progression levels, we can add additional progression levels to this bar chart. So again, we can start to see a trend of how the students are performing within the multiplicative strategies from a year 4 and year 5 perspective. Additionally, we can add MUS5 and really have an understanding of where the student is positioned against the acara learning progression.